Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on changing your Twitter display name and your Twitter username. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. I will show you how to do this on the Twitter app, but if you are on PC, the steps are pretty much the same. Open up the Twitter app and tap on your profile image from the top left of the home page. Tap Profile. Tap on the Edit Profile button from the top right corner of your profile page. Now at the top you can change your display name to whatever you would like it to be. Tap Save from the top right corner when you are finished. Your display name has now been changed. To change your Twitter username, go back to the Twitter homepage and tap on your profile picture from the top left corner again. Then tap on Settings and Privacy. From the Settings and Privacy page, tap on Account. Then tap on Username. Tap your current username to edit it. Tap Done from the bottom right corner when you are happy with your username. Your username has now been changed. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful, and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Twitter tips and tricks.